not we spending $100 at the Dollar Tree. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jay. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas Grill. If y'all can tell, yeah, we standing outside of Dollar Tree, but somebody want to say hey.
Y'all want to see my fit?
Alright, fit check, so fresh, make you, ooh.
Okay, stop.
Not Jaylee want to jump in and show her feet too.
My fit's trash.
This is from her. Where is it from?
Old Navy.
Old Navy. These are from a shoe store.
Uh-oh, you was ready?
This is from Walmart. This is from Gap. These are from Adidas, Crocs, Calvin.
Yeah.
I wear how many different brands?
1, 2, 3, 5.
That's embarrassing.
Anyway, y'all, we are about to go shopping in the Dollar Tree because it's been a minute, y'all. So, first of all, we're really only looking for like cleaning supplies, not really Christmas stuff or anything like that, but cleaning supplies for sure. Cause y'all, some don't sit right with me about flushing all my good stuff down the drain. You know what I'm saying? So I really don't buy expensive cleaning products no more because it's either finna get vacuumed up, going down the drain, or it's going in the trash. You feel me? So yeah, so we're about to go do that. And other than that, I'll just let Dollar Tree tell me what I need. Let's go. Bro, ain't no black Santas up there. Let's go. Y'all, how much is this? Because what? It's $5. That's not bad. Okay, Dollar Tree. Okay. Those are kind of cute. Let's be real. Okay, Dollar Tree with the representation. We love it. Y'all, it's been with Mrs. Myers in the freaking Dollar Tree. Y'all, ridiculous. Okay, I have stuff falling all over the place, but let's get into this Dollar Tree haul. Okay, so first of all, I got this awesome spray. It says like it's a degreaser and all the things, so I'll be using this mostly in the kitchen, but it seems like you can use it on some of everything, so I'm gonna try this out. I got some scrub-free oven cleaner. It don't really matter to me the brand. I'm just gonna clean that oven, girl, that's all. Got a little Dawn dish soap. Y'all, this will last me for so long because I mostly just use my dishwasher anyway, but this little bitty thing will last me for so long. Y'all, something leaking. Is it this? It is, but it smells so good. Okay, so this is just the lemon fabuloso. It says original, so why I didn't know this was the original flavor, or the original scent, not flavor. But yeah, I barely use fabuloso, but when I do, it gives the vibes. Okay, it brings the vibes every time. I got this 4-pack of toothbrush like covers. We cover our toothbrushes around here. I got this 18-piece eraser set. I actually got 2 of these. I have to find the other one, but this is for Jordan's class. They're doing like a little stocking stuffer event, so she has to take some of these to class. They have 19 students, but there were 18, so yeah. Also, I got this refillable like bathroom cleaner. Now, I don't think this one is like a disinfectant. It just says deodorizing. So I really don't even know when I'm gonna actually use this, or I may have to like mix it with bleach, cause we disinfected our bathroom. I also got this multi-purpose cleaning paste. Now I want to try this because it's supposed to be like a dupe to the pink stuff. So I'm gonna try it out and see if it works, see how I like it. Cause $1.25, I was not leaving it in the store. I also got this Comet kitchen cleaner with bleach. Yes, I spray bleach on the counters and stuff in my kitchen sometimes. Like, it is what it is. I also got the Comet foam bathroom cleaner with bleach. And y'all, they had Autobahn in there, like, huh? So I normally get this from like Walmart, and sometimes you'll find it in like Ross or whatever for cheap too. But I think this is the cheapest I've seen it. It was $3, and I had to pick it up because I use this. It's like a disinfectant and it's kind of like Febreze, but it has disinfectant in it too. So the goat. Okay, so I got 2 packs of 16-piece pencils. So these are for Jordan's class as well. I also got this little clear sponge holder for my sink. This is the other pack of erasers. I also got a little thing of Autobahn for my car. I got 2 of these. This is the new car scent, one for me and one for Tim. And I also got a meat chopper. I really wanted one of these, y'all. I needed it actually because I be chopping my meat with like whatever I could find, but this is gonna save me. I also got this big thing of Pine Glow, so you know, pines all do, but y'all, it still smells pretty good and it's huge for this giant size bottle. I also got this little mold thing. I'm gonna use this for ice cubes though, for my little iced coffee. Y'all know it's Vlogmas, so I'm getting into it. This is the other car freshener, and this is like the Arm & Hammer baking soda that you put in your fridge. And this is like a pack of fake snow, so I'm gonna let Jordan make her own like snow globe. She really wants a stitch one, and we haven't been able to find it in like stores or anything like that, so I'm gonna let her make her own. So y'all, this is the snow globe thing. It's like plastic, but it is waterproof. So yeah, she's gonna make her own snow globe with this. I also bought a pack of sponges. If you know me, you know I don't really like colored sponges. However, they were $1.25, so we picked them up. I got 2 packs of these disinfectant Armor All wipes for our cars. I also got a pack of latex gloves and a pack of nitrile gloves. So basically, these are for cleaning and cooking. I got a little pizza cutter for only $1.25, of course. And I got 4 packs of these Christmas like lollipops, and these are also for Jordan's class. So Jaylee got like some snacks and some gum for 2 of her friends. It's their birthday today. I think she got like 4 items, and then Jordan got some Cheez-Its or something yesterday. So with those 5 items, along with everything else I just showed you, my total was $58.94. So y'all, I was really thinking that I was about to spend $100 at the Dollar Tree, because when that stuff started coming up on that thing, I was like, now we spending $100 at the Dollar Tree, like, But it turned out that it was only $58.94, which is really good, especially for cleaning products, because you already know when you go to Target and you start buying them cleaning products, that stuff add up so fast, and that ain't even the stuff that you really wanted when you went in there. It ain't, let's be real. So yeah, I think you guys really should try out getting your cleaning supplies at least from the Dollar Tree, because what is it gonna hurt? It's either going in the trash or it's going down the drain. And it's like something that just does not sit right with me about paying all that money for something that basically gets thrown away. Like, yeah, But I do hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button. Join the gang, okay? And I will see you guys in my next one.